everybody, this is Amy. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to paint a design once again using my double Filbert on this glass jar, this repurposed glass jar. I have already gone over it with a coat of the, what is it called, Frost White, and so that it has a base coat for me to paint over it and see how that goes. I am going to be using a Magic number 6 brush. It's a flat brush, a number 8 Deerfoot Stippler, and then of course my number 10 Loew Cornell double Filbert brush. Paints I'm using today are Moon Yellow, Wicker White, Thicket, Pale Yellow, and Real Brown. Now all these paints except for one are in MultiSurface. One of them is actually an enamel paint. All of them are good for glass. I do recommend using glass paint whenever you're painting on glass, just to make sure that it adheres nicely to your painting or your item, whatever you're painting on. I'm going to start off first by double loading my Magic brush, and I'm doing it between the Thicket and the Moon Yellow. On the Thicket side I'm going to touch into the brown, and on the Moon Yellow side I'm going to touch into the yellow. This just gives it more of a, just a little bit different tint, more of, what I want to say, like a olivey color. And then I'm going to start onto my glass and paint just a basic, I'll say like a stem for the flowers and leaves to be painted on. I'm going to just randomly put them in. You don't have to be doing any certain style. Just make it more random, just free flowing. And you can go all the way around your glass on this type of a design, or you can just do the front if you think that your glassware is just going to be maybe sitting on a shelf where you're only going to see one view, which would be the front view of the item. Alright, so I've got that painted in. What I'm going to do now is go in with my Filbert. I am going to double, well actually I'm not going to double load it. I'm going to put it into the pale yellow to start off first. And I'm just going to touch and pull, touch and pull, touch and pull, using the pale yellow first, like that. Then I'm going to go into the white, and I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of repeat it, touch and pull, touch and pull, touch and pull. So you still see the yellow, but it's more of a loose type of painting. And then you're going to go on to the next one. And I'm sorry, my air conditioner is getting ready to, well, it's actually just started. So I apologize for that noise, but that's what you're hearing. And I'm just going to keep doing it until I get all these put in. I'm going to start with the yellow, the pale yellow, and then just keep going around it, making a loose flower. Now this is not meant to be any flower in particular, it's just a loose painting, and meant to be loose, very easy for someone who is a beginner painter. And if you know me well, you know my painting style. I do like to create designs that are great for beginners. That's my whole goal here, is to get people using their creative side, whether they really feel like they're creative or not. I feel like everybody has a little bit of creativity in them. Even if they don't feel like they do, they do. And things that are not real difficult, why not? Why not try it? And doing it on glassware, like these jars, this is such a perfect surface. I mean, you're repurposing something that can be used as part of your home decor. You know, use these in your bathroom to store cotton tips, cotton balls, Q-tips, anything like that. Just makes it really easy. Or if you have, makeup brushes, and you want to have them stored in your bathroom, it does. It just makes it very, very easy, very simple. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to wipe this brush off a little bit, get some of these colors out, but I'm going to go back to the green, the moon yellow, tapping into the white, tapping a little bit into the brown, and then I'm going to come through here with this brush and just do some easy pulls. Easy pulls. You can actually pull them a little bit further out from the jar. You can have more of that pull them in. Turn them a little sideways if you want. Like that. There you go. If you want to come up and have some pulls up in here, you can. Just a few. Since this is a smaller spot, smaller space, you may not want to put too many in there, but there you go. And then the next thing I'm going to do is pick up my Deerfoot Stippler. I'm going to put the tip of it into the moon yellow. Make sure you get good coverage on this, because I am just, normally I'm into making a round ball, a round type of design. This one, I want it just to be more loose. I don't know why I can't get it on here a little darker. Just loose. Just hit it and go on. Yeah, I don't want it to be necessarily a round shape. I just want it to be really, really loose. Just meant to be more like a splatter than a circle type thing. And just very loose, very, very loose. Okay, that's my intention. Then I'm going to go back to my flat brush, get it loaded again, and all of these I am using all the colors there. And I'm just going to put in some quick little one-stroke leaves. Again, you can make them to where they're more olivey looking, or they're mixed up a little bit, where there's a mixture of colors going on here. They don't all have to be the same. It's just a very simple design, but it's pretty. You can overlap your flowers. That's what would happen in a bouquet, right? If you're doing this for yourself, you could make this design go all the way around your bottle, which is typically what I would do. But for the purpose of painting it for this video, I'm just doing the front. And one thing that would be cute is to put in some filler flowers, filler leaves into this. And you just randomly like that. And if you want to keep going with the leaves, you can pull more of them out here. It's very soft. Just a very, very soft design, and it's meant to be that. Meant to be. Just a very pretty design that just kind of overflows onto the jar. And you can even put out some of these along here, or like I said, mix it up and do some other colors of green along with it. That's up to you. But I think I'm going to stop there for now. I think it's pretty just the way it is. Hope you like it. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that notification bell as well as that subscribe button. And before you leave, please share this on your social network with all your family and friends. Very easy, just hit that share button underneath the video and it'll give you the options of where you want to share it, so it's very simple. Alright, thanks again for taking your time to view my video. I do appreciate you, and until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one.